Alright guys, let me show you a little something. Look at that. It's hard for you to see on it, but we are getting whacked here. Heavy, heavy snow. There's several inches on the ground. Blizzard. Can hardly see across the, man, just look at that. Absolutely incredible. Snowing like crazy out there. Man. Just look at that. Snow's piling up everywhere. Got my nice warm heater to keep me warm. Oh, check that out. Just absolutely incredible. Barely see a walker. Man, look at that. Someone piled up several feet of snow right over there. Absolutely incredible. Winds gusting 50 miles an hour, heavy snow. Amazing.